Ready to embark on a journey to the future of mobile interface? A world where technology meets elegance, intuition aligns with innovation, and user experience is redefined? Welcome to the new Samsung One UI 6.1. This latest update from the tech giant is more than just an operating system update. It's a revolution designed to make every interaction simpler, smarter, and more enjoyable. The first feature to discuss is the enhanced dark mode. Samsung has taken the concept of dark mode to another level, providing a more comfortable visual experience. With this feature, the screen intelligently adjusts to light conditions, reducing eye strain and saving battery life. Now, the night owls can enjoy their late-night scrolling without disturbing their natural sleep pattern. Next, let's talk about the new and improved Quick Panel. Samsung has redesigned this feature to make it more streamlined and user-friendly. It now offers a more organized view of your notifications and settings. This means you can easily access and control your most used features from one place. Samsung One UI 6.1 also introduces a powerful feature called the Enhanced Digital Wellbeing Dashboard. This feature provides users with a comprehensive overview of their digital habits. It helps you understand how much time you spend on your device and how you spend it. The dashboard also provides you with tools to manage your screen time effectively. The Eye Comfort Shield is another feature that sets Samsung One UI 6.1 apart. This feature automatically adjusts the color temperature of your display to reduce eye strain. Whether you're reading an ebook or watching a video, your eyes will thank you for this feature. Then there's the redesigned Samsung keyboard. This feature enhances typing with better accuracy, speed, and convenience. It also introduces new customization options, allowing you to create a keyboard that reflects your style and needs. The Samsung One UI 6.1 also brings an updated version of the Edge panel. It provides quick access to your favorite apps, tasks, and contacts. It's like having a personal assistant right at your fingertips. Finally, Samsung One UI 6.1 introduces an improved version of the multi-active window. This feature allows you to open multiple apps on the same screen, enhancing your multitasking capabilities. Now, you can watch a video, chat with friends, and browse the internet all at the same time. To summarize, the Samsung One UI 6.1 is a game changer in the world of mobile interface. It offers a redesigned dark mode for comfortable viewing, an organized quick panel for easy access to features, an enhanced digital well-being dashboard to monitor digital habits, an eye comfort shield to protect your eyes, a customizable Samsung keyboard for efficient typing, an updated Edge panel for quick access to favorite apps, and an improved multi-active window for seamless multitasking. Samsung One UI 6.1 is indeed a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation and user experience. The future of mobile interface is here, and it's more exciting than ever.